How to create animated stickers for WhatsApp on iPhone. So what we'll do is we'll simply open our Apple Store, and after opening our Apple Store, we will search for this app called Curly Sticker Maker, and then we'll click on it, and you will download it if you haven't and open it. And here we'll click on the plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, we will get two options, animated or regular. We will click on animated, and after clicking on it, we can choose any videos that we want to make a sticker out of it. And here I'm choosing this one. This is quite long. We can make it short, and after making it a short, and then what we can do is we can click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, then we will if you want to add some text, we can simply add some text. Here I am adding some text, and also after adding text, you can add some emojis. Here I'm adding an emoji, and we can just simply arrange it, but we have to arrange it quite nicely. Yeah, here I'm arranging it properly. And then what we can do is we can also add backgrounds from the option there, but I would like to keep it mine very simple, so I won't be adding any background. So if you want to add backgrounds, then you can go for it. And this is my sticker. I will simply save it, and after saving it, we will see that there is an option for my stickers. If we will make other, then it will be saved there. We'll click on add on WhatsApp, and simply after clicking on it, now the WhatsApp will be open. And after opening the WhatsApp, we can simply click on the save, and after saving the sticker, it will be saved in our stickers. And then we can click the stickers option in our text area, and we can simply send the sticker to anyone we like. So yeah, that is how to create animated sticker for WhatsApp on iPhone.